Hey beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl so the Thompson. We're going to be doing something completely different today. For the first time ever, I shall be watching and this should be bikers. Like this is gonna be crazy. I've never watched anything like this before. So I'm super excited to watch it guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Links are all down below. If you'd like to support me, please join my Patreon where I have exclusive content or you can buy me a cup of coffee just to help me build my brand, help me build my YouTube. Yeah. All right, let's watch and enjoy it. That's what 9 minutes of extreme motorcycle riding. Woo! Okay, it said headphones required, so I'm locked in. Okay. This is insane. Oh gosh. First of all, I hate the noise pollution motorbikes make. Like, it's too noisy.
Salcano, salcano. Da hora, né, rapaziada? Já pensou?
What language is that? Just moving in between cars. Woo! The risk. Y'all are playing with your life. But again, we have just one life to live, so now something must kill a man. Oh, this is crazy. He's just like, this is insane. And there's like, oh, this is insane. Any obstruction and it's just an accident. I mean, imagine someone just walked in front of him right now. Like, that's it. I heard someone say cheap. Oh, is this the same person? This seems like it's another person. I hate that sound. It's like better up now because you're just watching, but like in real life, it scares the crap out of me. Like motorbikes, like especially when I'm not expecting, just like I'm like noise pollution much. Yeah, this part is scary when they're like going in between cars. Just it's like when you go off an angle by like an inch, like that's it. You can hit a car and at the speed that they are going, whoo, the collision will be crazy. That's a very pretty car. It's good to see that they're maintaining traffic laws. Is this a race? Bye bye, red car. Oh, Domino's. Imagine you're filming this and your car just your phone just flies out. That would be insane. like, I'm feeling it. Like just from the sound. I'm having more seizures. This is crazy, man. It keeps passing the car and then we go right back again.
चल बेटा चल.
What language is this? It's like,
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
that's crazy. Oh, why did they complain? I wanted to see if the police was going to arrest him or not. That was funny. This is insane. Like, this is insane. Oh, imagine being on the back. What's that sound? What is it like hitting people's mirrors? Because that's crazy. That was a very, very narrow path. What's that sound? Oh no, that was insane. Hmm. Okay. Coming through with the stunts.
That's quick bike.
Woo! 99 lives here. That's crazy. Oh my gosh, that was so fun to watch. That was amazing. Do I want to ever ride a bike? Hell. Will I say no? Maybe I would like to be like a passenger on the back of someone who I trust and I've seen that the person is good. If not, please stay far away from me. I do not want to ride. I do not want to a back bike ride. Whatever, no, that was fun to watch. Alright, you guys really enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you love to see me react to more of crazy stuff like this, please just send links by buying me a cup of coffee on Buy Me a Coffee. Links are all down below, and I'll see you guys next time with another video.